So here's a simple video and a quick also of the code of Mission Zero. Mission Zero consisted of using a structure called agent, and the structure agent should also have a structure inside called asset, and the instruction said that a structure agent could be added and also a structure asset could be added. However, the structure asset corresponds to the structure agent. Also, the structure agent could have many assets. So as I decided to implement the code is a structure agent that contains an array of the structure assets. So let's run the code to start. It has a menu, so I added a function besides the ones asked. I added the consult agent's number because it has the number of every agent in the global array of agents, and it helps the user to identify the agent by a number, which is a number of the index in the array, the global array. However, it counts from 1 to n instead of 0 to n minus 1, just for the user experience. And it is also helpful to access the other functions. So if we go to we have to choose an option number. So if I go to add agents asset, it says no agents have been inserted. Also, if I go to consult agents, here I have to put continue. Then if I go to consult agents info, there are no agents. And if I go to consult agents assets info, I used a comparison. So if the user doesn't input a 0 or the exit program option, the menu will repeat itself. So I think that's useful because, as you can see, I committed a mistake and there was no problem. So there's a mistake if you put a 0 accidentally, I guess, but that would go to the exit of the program. But if you put any other number, there should be no problem and the menu would be just printed out again. So let's go to the 5, and it has no agents, and I think, yeah, that's all. Oh yeah, if I go to the third one, oh no, I already showed that. Okay, so let's start by adding an agent. First we put continue, let's add an agent. Let's add many agents. So let's add me. Here's my age and the mission. Oh yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and we put continue, and here we can use the first function which is consult agent's number. Is just a brief function of information just so we know the number of the index in the array, and we can use it for later. So here we have, it's the number in the array and just the name. It doesn't have the complete info. So if we go to consult agents info, which is the fourth option, we need to put here the number of the agent in the array. So if I put 1, it prints my whole information. It also has a counter which says how many assets I have assigned to this agent, or myself in this case. Let's continue. Let's add more agents. So add agent, let's add some of my friends. And let's make up those missions. Let's continue. Let's keep adding agents. And if we want to see now the information, the brief information of the agents, we can use our function, which is consult agents numbers, and as you can see, it prints just the index number, or you can call it an identifier, and the name of the agent. So if you want to consult the further information, you would have to, okay, here we put 1, then 4, and let's say we want to check the information of Roger. So here we put the 2, and there it says Roger, the full name, age, gender, mission, and the assets assigned. Alright, so now let's add some assets. we go to add agents asset, first one, then 3, and here we can try to put an agent number that is not valid. So for example 8, it says non-existent agent number. Alright, so let's repeat again, 3, and then the name of the agent, the ID, so it's for the agent 2 or Roger, and let's add the asset's name. Let's continue, let's add more assets to the same agent. And let's now consult the agent's info of agent number 2 or Roger. So now we put a 4 and the number was 2, and here we can see it has 2 assets assigned. So now let's consult an asset. We put 5 and insert the agent number to consult assets. So for example, if we insert this one, it says the selected agent has no assets. So let's continue. Let's try that again, but with a valid agent. So we put 5 and then 2, and it's select an asset number to consult. It goes from 1 to 2. So I also decided to just put a limit to maximum 10 number of assets per agent, just so it doesn't become like a lot of mess. And also, since the assets have such less information, like just number and mission, I decided not to create a consult function as the one of agents, since the agents have more information. So now let's put here 2, and we can see the asset, the full name and the special mission. And I think that'll be all. That shows pretty much everything you can do. It shows how you can consult agents, how you can consult assets, how you can add assets, how you can add agents, and it shows also that you cannot do some things if there's no information or there's wrong information provided. And here let's just say let's try that last option, which is exit program, and we're done. I hope you enjoyed the video, and it was a fun homework. I'll try explaining better or showing better next time. But until then, I hope you enjoyed and have a good day.